Would you like an easy recipe for baked mac and cheese that your whole family's gonna love? You're in the right place. Stick around and I'll show you how it's done. Get a 9x13 baking dish and coat it with some nonstick spray. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and stir in 1 pound of elbow noodles. Cook for about 2 minutes less than called for on the package directions. Drain the noodles and pour into your prepared baking dish. You can add a little bit of oil here if necessary to keep the noodles from sticking together, but not too much. Melt some butter in a large saucepan or Dutch oven over medium heat. Stir in some flour to make a roux and cook for about 5 minutes. I'll link to the full printable recipe down in the description. Pour in some cold milk a little at a time, raise the heat, and stir until it comes to a simmer and thickens. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Turn down the heat and stir in some cubed up processed cheese, good old Velveeta, until it melts and goes nice and creamy. Stir in some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using sharp here, but use as sharp or mild of a cheese as your family's going to like. Stir all of this together with your noodles and top with more shredded cheddar cheese. You're going to get this into the center of a 350-degree oven and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. After that time, turn on the broiler and watch it carefully until it goes nice and brown. Let this rest for about 15 to 20 minutes or reheat it the next day, and it's time to eat. Head over to my website, southernaccentfoods.com, and sign up to get a new recipe in your inbox every week. There's a link down below. If you'd like another great recipe for a different version of this stovetop mac and cheese, watch this video right here.